Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete the transaction in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make any purchase or transaction, you might see the error which is contact to iTunes support. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to check your information or your payment information. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your settings app. In settings, just tap on Apple ID, and here just tap on payment and shipping. And you just have to make sure that your information of your payment method all are correct. There's no any mistake in them, or if you find, just try to correct that. After correcting, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection, or you can check out your VPN connection. If you're connected with any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, you just have to simply go to your app store and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just try to connect with Apple support team. Just simply open your Apple support app and here just select iPhone and then tap on this more option. Now from here you can select App Store or you can also select iTunes Store. So let's say I'm gonna select iTunes Store here. Just tap on Get More Help, then tap on Colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.